Hello, we are back at the workbench with the rockvan for another round of upgrades. If you missed it, make sure to go back and watch the previous episode where we upgraded the stock shocks. Today we're swapping the factory bushings for full ball bearings. This is going to make the van much more efficient and, more importantly, way more durable in the long run. It's a bit of a project because we have to strip the internals down to the bone to find every bushing, so buckle up. Let's get into the disassembly. All right, now that the wheels are off, we can start pulling the axles from the chassis. Rear axle is out and done. Let's move on to the front. Okay, axles are on the table. So now we just need to detach the motor and the gearbox. Getting that gearbox out was a bit of a puzzle. There are quite a few hidden screws you need to hunt down, but we got there in the end. Let's dive into the rear axle first. Opening up the portal hub reveals our first set of bushings. Each axle setup should have 12 bushings total, 4 in each portal hub and another 4 buried inside the axle housing. All right, moving on. Let's break down the front axle now. Now for the trickiest part of the whole build, opening up the gearbox. Here we go, we're inside. It looks like there's a decent amount of grease in here from the factory, which is good to see. So here's the full haul, 28 bushings in total. That's 12 for each axle and 4 for the gearbox. Check the description below. I've put a detailed list of all the sizes you'll need for each spot. Let's get these new bearings ready to go. We're losing about 3 grams of weight here, which makes sense, but the performance gains are going to be worth way more. Time to start the install. We'll begin with the rear axle. That's the easiest one to piece back together. We'll need 2 medium bearings for the pinion gear and 2 small for the input gear. Each portal hub on the rear takes 4 small bearings. The front is slightly different. For that one, we need 3 small bearings and a large one. Since I have everything wide open, I decided to give the internals a good clean and a fresh pack of grease. I'm using Red N Tacky. I've heard this is the absolute best stuff for these gears. I'm making sure it's not too little, but not overpacked either. Just applying it to the gear mesh and leaving a little extra in the housing for good measure. Right, the portals are greased, seated, and assembled. Now let's move on to the axle pumpkin. Rear axle is officially finished. Now we just repeat that exact same process for the front one. Both axles are done, so now we tackle the final boss, the gearbox. There isn't actually a bushing on the motor side of the gearbox, but since it's open, it's still worth giving it some fresh grease. The gearbox needs 3 small bearings and a very tiny one. I'm being a little more generous with the grease in here. A nice coating on the gears, and then we're ready to seal it up. That's all three components finished. Let's get everything bolted back onto the chassis. All right, now we're ready for a much smoother ride. Thanks for hanging out and watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We're installing a magnetic body mount. See you then.